Article 1353. The statement of a false cause in a contract shall render them void, if it should not be proved that they were founded upon another cause which is not true and lawful. Effects of falsity of cause. By falsity of cause is meant that the contract states valid consideration but such statement is not true. A false cause may be erroneous. Simulated, the first always produces the inexistence of a contract. If the cause is false, the contract is rendered void because the same actually does not exist. The second does not always produce this effect because it may happen that the hidden but true cause is sufficient to support the contract. If the parties can show that there is another cause and that said cause is true and lawful, then the parties shall be bound by their true agreement. Here is my explanation, Article 1353. According to Article 1353, if a contract contains a false cause, incorrect or misrepresented reason, and cannot be proven that there was another true and lawful cause behind the contract may be rendered void. The term cause, in this context, refers to the reason or consideration for entering into the contract. A false cause can be either erroneous, based on a mistake, or simulated, intentionally misrepresented. Example, let's say two parties, A and B, enter a contract for the sale of piece of artwork for $5,000. The contract states that the reason for the sale is to raise funds for the charity event organized by a party A. However, in reality, party A does not have any charity event planned, and the statement in the contract is false. In this example, this false cause in the contract is fundraising for a charity event, which is not true. If it cannot be proven that there was another valid and lawful reason for the contract, such as simple sales of the artwork, contract may be voided under Article 1353. This provision ensures that contracts are based on truthful and lawful reasons, and any false representations of the cause can lead to the contract being declared void. Article 1354. Although the cause is not stated in the contract, it is presumed that it exists unlawful, unless the debtor proves the contrary. Cause presumed to exist unlawful. It is not necessary that the cause be expressly stated in the contract. The presumption is that the cause exists and is lawful, unless the debtor proves the contrary. Article 1354 of the Civil Code of the Philippines establishes the presumption that the cause of a contract exists and is lawful. Even if it is not explicitly stated in the contract, this legal provision is based on the premise that parties ordinarily do not enter into contracts without valid reason or consideration. The burden of to demonstrate otherwise. Example, John and Mary enter into a contract for a sale of valuable painting. The contract does not specify the reason or consideration for the sale. However, John later claims that there was no valid consideration. The contract seeks to invalidate it. In this scenario, Article 1354 presumes that there is a valid and lawful cause for the contract, which is, in this case, could be the exchange of the painting for a monetary sum. The burden of proof falls on John, the debtor, to prove that there was, in fact, no valid consideration for the contract. If John fails to provide sufficient evidence to support his claims of no consideration, the presumption established in Article 1354 remains valid and contract between John and Mary would be upheld. In Article 1354 reinforces the principle that contracts are presumed to have a lawful and valid cause even when not expressly stated in the contract. This presumption is rooted in the natural expectation that parties enter into a contract with a purpose or consideration in mind. The burden of proof rests on the party challenging the validity of the contract to provide evidence that proves the lack of lawful cause. In inclusion, Article 1354 of the Civil Code of the Philippines services to uphold the validity of contracts by presuming the existence of a lawful cause, unless proven otherwise by the party seeking invalidate the contract. This provision protects the integrity of a contractual agreement and ensures that parties fulfill their obligation based on a presumed legitimate basis for the contract. Article 1355, except in cases specified by law, lesion or inadequacy of cause shall not invalidate a contract unless there has been fraud, mistake, or undue influence. Meaning of lesion is any damages caused and the cause that price is unjust, inadequate. It is the injury suffered in consequences of inequality of situation by one party who do not receive the full equivalent what he gives in commutative contract, like a say. Article 1355 of the Civil Code of the Philippines addresses the concept of lesion or inadequacy of cause in contracts. According to this article, lesion or inadequacy of cause alone shall not invalidate a contract unless there are additional factors such as fraud, mistake, or undue influences present. Let's provide an example and explanation to elaborate this article. So, the explanation. Sarah sells her vintage car to Mark for a significant lower price compared to its market value due to financial difficulties. She is facing the contract for the sale of the car does not specify the reason for the low price. After she sells, Sarah regrets her decision and claims that the contract should be invalidated because of the inadequacy of the price. In this scenario, the situation involves inadequacy of cost, as the price at which the vintage car was sold is unjustly low compared to its actual value. In Article 1355 states that inadequacy of cost on its own is not sufficient to invalidate a contract. Additional elements such as fraud, mistake, or undue influences must be proven to challenge the validity of the contract. So Sarah must demonstrate that there was fraud or mistake or undue influences involved in the contract to seek its invalidation based on inadequacy of the price alone. So, explanation. The legal concept of lesion inadequacy of cost refers to the situation where one part suffers damage or injury due to receiving an unjust, inadequate price or consideration in a contract. Article 1355 sets a higher threshold for dating a contract solely based on inadequacy of cost. It requires the presence of additional factors like fraud, mistake, or undue influences to warrant the nullification of the contract. This provision aims to uphold the scientific of contracts and protects parties from arbitrary challenges to contract based on solely on the disproportionate values exchange. In inclusion, the Article 1355 of the Civil Code of the Philippines establishes that inadequacy, cost, or lesion by itself is not enough to invalidate a contract unless accompanied by fraud, mistake, or undue influences. The article aims to strike a balance between protecting parties from unfair agreement while maintaining the stability and enforceability of contract.